In this ProfitPlay review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to run unlimited live and recorded webinars, online conferences, and even create whiteboard videos, all without paying monthly fees. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ProfitPlay, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says run unlimited webinars and video meetings at a low one-time price. Breaking your very own live streaming platform with built-in traffic lets you run unlimited webinars, video meetings, and live streams. Say goodbye to GoToWebinar and Zoom's expensive limiting monthly subscriptions. So essentially, you're going to be able to run your own webinars. You can do live ones or recorded ones, and you don't have to worry about paying the fees that GoToWebinar charges. They charge a ridiculous amount. Even when I was paying a discounted fee for it was like $2,000 a year just to have access to GoToWebinar. So just so you know, running webinars can be expensive. Now you can tap into them. You can even have, they have done for you affiliate offers to promote. So you don't even have to actually do your own webinars either. You can send any link to any offer to all your attendees with one click. You can share files with your attendees. You can use it for coaching. Essentially, you can do what you want. You can do sales with it. Step 1, log into their cloud-based app. Step 2, create your webinar, live stream video meeting, or whiteboard video and add in your affiliate link. And then step 3, it says it will blast your link through our autoresponder to, it says thousands of people. Of course, it's going to depend how many people you have on your list to do that, but you're going to be able to send out messages to them. Now it says here, here's proof that the software brings us daily traffic. I mean, I don't know how this really has anything to do with it. It doesn't really make much sense. They say that they've made money in sales here. I mean, I believe that they've made a lot of sales, and that's fine. But I mean, it's not all from just using the ProfitPlay system. It's probably some of these are from doing webinars, but not just from that. They say they have some testimonials from some verified users here, and some of these people I do recognize, so they might be real testimonials as opposed to some of the other ones I've seen on other sales pages here. So these look like real people. Here you can see how much it would cost to use something like Zoom. This is $166 monthly, even if you get the discount. That's $5,000 for 1,000 participants here with that. So it can add up if you want to buy webinar software. It can be very expensive to do that. Again, I know that from experience as I've actually done it myself. So yeah, again, here's more proof, but I mean, whatever kind of money you make from webinars, it's all going to depend upon the offers that you promote and how many people you have on your list. You can see here it has unlimited attendees, done for you products and webinars, whiteboard video creator, free traffic built in. So it says that maybe it has like a social share or something. World's best video meetings. You can do video meetings with people. It's built-in training. Live social sharing. They've got support, of course, all included on the front end. Now, one thing I will tell you to do is make sure that you move your mouse away on the front end here because this will probably, here we go, a discount will show up there. I make less as an affiliate by showing that to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. So please hit that like button. It really helps me out. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Are you bombarded with webinar invites literally 24/7? That's happening for one simple reason. Webinars convert better than literally anything else out there, giving webinar presenters both unlimited traffic and unlimited sales with little effort. Imagine minutes from now if you also could finally tap into the ultimate webinar software and start getting paid fat $1,000 plus commissions without having to send traffic, have your own product, or do any real work. That's right, a virtually unlimited, untapped 24/7 income stream that maximizes profits with zero work for you. And it's all 100% newbie friendly, 100% done for you, 200% money back guarantee. How? Simple. You only need 2 things to succeed online. Number 1, traffic. Number 2, a product. And all the traffic right now is going to live and recorded webinars, video meetings, and whiteboard-style video presentations. I'm talking GoToWebinar presentations, Zoom group meetings, YouTube Live, Microsoft Teams, etc. There's no better way right now to sell than through the power of video. So what if you could combine the power of unlimited traffic from live webinars, videos, and events with the incredible potential to sell high-ticket products at high conversions without doing any of the work yourself, and I do mean zero? It would lead to a revolution in internet marketing unlike any other. Introducing ProfitPlay. ProfitPlay is the ultimate, all-in-one webinar software that lets you tap into the global craze for video meetings, conferences, and webinars for unlimited free traffic. It lets you run webinars with unlimited attendees, both live and pre-recorded. And it gets done-for-you traffic for free, along with ready-made products to promote. You can even use this in other ways in your business too. Jump on video calls with clients, start live conferences with your team, or chat with your family and friends. That's because ProfitPlay comes with its own proprietary streaming technology that uses revolutionary cloud compression to deliver a zero-lag HD stream experience at all times. And all without ever collecting or sharing your personal information in order to target you with ads. Our world-class encryption makes sure that your data, videos, and streams remain yours. ProfitPlay gets you ready for both work and play time, without you even having to be live on camera, unless you want to. Here's how it works in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Log into this stunning cloud-based software. Nothing for you to set up, configure, or host. Step number 2. Create your webinar, video meeting, or live conference and add your affiliate link. You can stream recorded videos or webinar replays we provide you if you don't want to be live yourself. Step number 3. Relax as ProfitPlay blasts your link through our autoresponder 2000s, shares your stream all over social media, and brings you high-ticket commissions on autopilot. Traffic is 100% free and automated. Traffic comes from all your different live streams. Plus, you can share your webinars on dozens of social media platforms for an instant influx of viral traffic. With everyone right now watching webinars, attending online video conferences, and so on, you'll get thousands of viewers fast. How cool is that? We're literally handing over the full benefits of webinar while removing 100% of the obstacles. And the best part? No monthly fees. Running webinars has been a costly experience reserved for the elites. By charging prohibitive 3-figure monthly prices, only the so-called gurus have had access to this high-converting system. You know and I know that running webinars can be a very profitable business, but ridiculous limitations and even more ridiculous $400 plus monthly fees puts off most people from doing webinar. ProfitPlay is much more affordable and comes with a one-time fee, and includes many more features. So don't wait any longer and get access to ProfitPlay, the most revolutionary piece of software that every marketer needs to tap into the biggest traffic sources on the planet right now. Hurry and join today.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the back-end area here that you have access to, so you can have all your meetings and your webinars and everything all in here, all your contacts and segments all included inside of here. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one is the commercial one. You can do paid webinars, and you can have your own webinar page builder with this version of the software. Now you are going to want to, it's either going to be moving your mouse away or clicking no thanks on this, and you should have a discount pop up on this. So if I click on no thanks, let's see if I can actually show that to you. Here we go, discount. So you get a lower price on it. Again, I make less by showing that to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate that. Next one here is going to be the Enterprise Edition for this. So this is gonna be done for you. You get a bunch of done for you stuff included with this one. Again, hit the no thanks button to get the discount. The next one is they're gonna give you all their best-selling present and future products for a one-time price, and you're gonna want to click the no thanks to get that discount. Here's another one here. It says 24/7 It's an automation tool on this. So you can move your, not move your mouse away, click no thanks and get a discount. And the last one here is you get resell rights. You can resell, keep 100% of the profits, click no thanks, get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ProfitPlay and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, when you have a one-time software like this and you compare it to something like GoToWebinar or Zoom, obviously Zoom and GoToWebinar are going to be better than this. Like, they are softwares that people pay hundreds and thousands of dollars to on a monthly basis. They have a huge budget. They have an incentive to keep on making their platform better. So just know that when you pay a one-time price, you're probably going to get a one-time software. What do I like about this? If you're someone that is on a budget, you can't afford GoToWebinar, you can't afford Zoom, you just want to be able to run like trainings or do some webinars or run some automated webinars, and you don't want to break your budget, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ProfitPlay, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.